It's going to be a quick video about what's the difference between terrace and rooftop. The difference is subtle but important. But just a quick thing I want to share with you. If you want PDF booklet of this video and every video I make completely free of cost, there is a link in the description. Go to the website and fill the form. You will get the completely free PDF booklet on your email and WhatsApp group. Okay, let's get back to the point. Terrace. A flat open space that is part of a building, often used for activities like sitting, gardening, or drying clothes, etc. It may be on any floor, not necessarily the top. On the other hand, the rooftop, the topmost part of the building, usually refers to the entire roof area, whether accessible or not. So, as a conclusion, both are same, but the subtle difference is if you are specifically talking about the highest surface of a building, use the word rooftop. Otherwise, for an open space in the building, terrace would be a better word. Now, what's the difference between daily, everyday with a space, and everyday without a space? To know this, watch this video and subscribe for more. See ya!